Hey guys, it's Full here, back with another video. This is going to be Kusama price prediction for 2021, and Kusama has had insane run here. Okay, so think about here buying Kusama for $5, stacking up a lot of Kusama, and here $250. Look at this, it's astonishing, and yeah. So even here, $1. Look at it, it's crazy, and the total supply 10 million. Kusama is just it's awesome project. I love actually Kusama, and I own some Kusama, but currently I just sold all my positions because I think that there's going to be a correction. It has to happen at some point, and I think that I just basically I'm waiting for that correction now. But the markets are still like very bullish, and it's crazy to see where it's going. Is there going to be correction? I think so, but it's very hard to get find the top one and sell at the peak. So yeah, that's why I got out now, because it's starting to feel like very that something might happen very soon, because look at it, it's just up. Every coin is basically just up. Yeah, for example Bitcoin. But anyway, I'm not going to go that in this video. I just want to say that but anyway, so Kusama price prediction for 2021. Kusama is just insane. In this video I will explain you what Kusama is, and then I will also give you my insights about it and think why it's so good. And I think Kusama is great. It's absolutely astonishing, and for a few reasons. And I will also create a video on how to buy Kusama. If you're interested, you can find Kusama on Binance, but I will create how to buy guide if you want to watch that. You can find it in my channel. But anyway, so what is Kusama? Kusama is a coin tagline. Well, let me show you first dot. So what Kusama is it's like a sandbox test ground for Polkadot. Okay, and what Polkadot is trying to establish Web 3.0. Yeah, very ambitious and very it's crazy. The technology is very good. And that being said, Polkadot has had also insane run up here, and Kusama is the sandbox version. So basically anything that's going to go to Polkadot first comes to Kusama, every project. So let me show you here. It's kraken.com. They have very reliable, very good articles here. So here, public, let me show you. I read some interesting things here. So here, in this way, Kusama acts as a kind of sandbox for developers looking for test early versions of Polkadot projects, but with real cryptocurrency traded on an open market. Okay, it's crazy. It's absolutely crazy. So everything that's going to go in Polkadot is first tested on Kusama. And look at the total supply. It's crazy. And yeah, that being said, if Polkadot is going to make it, then Kusama is going to also going to make it, because you need Kusama. Okay, and yeah, so let me show you here. So Kusama's coin tagline is expect chaos. Kusama is a developer's version of Polkadot where they can test their dApps before adding it to Polkadot network. Kusama was founded in 2016 by Gavin Woods, who was one of the original founders of Ethereum, who led the creation of Solidity and the Ethereum virtual machine. Kusama is proving ground for robust enterprise level dApps and smart contracts, because it allows teams and developers who will eventually build them the first build and deploy a parachain. A parachain is a data structure that is specific to an application that is globally consistent and is able to be validated by the validators of the Polkadot Relay chain. Kusama is the pre-production environment for any new Polkadot feature. Kusama networks of the proof of stake protocol and allows for the ability to drop a stake in an instance. Kusama is more than a testnet, it's live, and the tokens have value. There are real-world economic consequences for holes in dApps, smart contracts, and the code developed. It is different from a testnet like Ethereum Ropsten or even Ethereum 2.0, as those tokens are worth nothing. Kusama is owned and governed by a community of network participants who vote on and control the future of the network, which means it's decentralized. Okay, crazy stuff. It's very good. I just absolutely love Kusama. That being said, I really believe in Kusama. I really believe in Kusama, but I think there has to have some kind of correction on the crypto markets, because when it's interesting when Bitcoin dips, like when the market dips, all of the projects will dip. Like in 20 like after the 2017 bull run, market like dropped like 95%. I'm not saying that's going to be the case, but I'm just saying that there has to happen some kind of drop at some point. Okay, and Kusama is one of the projects that I look into buying. Okay, when the price drops, but of course it could happen that the price would never drop. But if you really look at this chart here, it's just it just continues up. It goes up quite crazy. So I think that yeah. But anyway, I really think Kusama is very good project. It's just amazing because it's everything that's going to go Polkadot. It has to first have to be tested on Kusama, and like it says here, Kusama is more than just testnet have actually value. These tokens have actual value, and yeah. That being said, it's crazy opportunity in my opinion, and I definitely have Kusama in my portfolio. But for the price prediction for 2021, I think that for $2021 Kusama could be easily achieved, like easily achieved. But I do believe that there has to be some kind of like market correction before that happens. Like think about it. Think about Kusama going $1,000 like without money market correction. It would, like think about it. It would go like boom 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 boom. That would be insane. That would be crazy. That could happen, but I don't think that it's going to happen without any major corrections. But it would be funny. It would be fun. So anyway, yeah, that's my price prediction. $1,000. By the way, guys, what do you guys think? Did I miss anything in this video? I know that I did, but can you please comment down below if you have more insights about Kusama and what you think about Kusama? And if you want to say anything, I appreciate it a lot for adding value to these videos. Thank you so much, and yeah, subscribe to my channel if you want to watch more this type of videos. I know that these price prediction videos, I can't go like super in depth, like because I want to cover as much cryptocurrencies as I can, because I want to document my journey, and I want to basically document it. I want to be like a basically create these price predictions every year for all coins or all the major coins, because I want to document the journey, that what I think, and like how it turned out. So that's what I'm doing this. I can't go like I can't do 10-hour video on Kusama. Sorry guys. I don't want to do that. So it's very this video is very basic. I just cover it, but I think about it and why I think it's good, and basically that's it. And that being said, problem that Polkadot is solving is huge, but because we get paid in direct proportion of the problems we solve on planet Earth. So Polkadot is solving a huge problem. Think about Web3. It's creating Web 3.0. But if that's going to happen, you need Kusama, and Kusama has low total supply, and it's token is just insanely good. Okay, so that being said, $1,000 in 2021 doesn't seem that crazy of a deal for me, and I think that it could go even higher. Like if Polkadot is going to make it, there's going to be Kusama is going to go crazy. And if you really think about it, for example, these big institutional investors, and if you think about like BlackRock, they're just starting to dabble into Bitcoin. These are like they are not talking about Kusama yet, and you know what I'm saying. So we are very early here. Okay, but anyway, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Also like this video if you found it helpful. So thank you, and see you soon.